Hey guys, so today we will be making an adorable breast cancer awareness Deco mesh ribbon wreath. What you will need, I have my wreath form here. I purchased it at Dollar Tree. It's about 18 to 20 inches long. I have pink Deco mesh, some Chanel stems, and a ton of ribbon, different shapes, sizes, styles, and also some tulle. So I don't know if I'm going to use all of this ribbon. I just wanted to have it on hand, but just whatever you have, you can just have fun with it. Alright, let's get started. So as you can see, I have cut the pink Deco mesh into 8-inch long pieces. I've also cut my Chanel stems in half. And I decided to go with this 5/8 inch width ribbon, and I have cut it into 6-inch long pieces. And what I'm going to do is roll a piece of Deco mesh. Roll another piece. I'm going to crisscross them. Take a piece of my ribbon, place it down, and roll once more. I just thought 3 would be a good number, but you can use more or less if you choose. And I cross it just like that and place it down. Now I'm just going to scrunch it all in the center. And twist it. And then you can adjust it and everything afterwards. And that's what it looks like. So cute and adorable. You can change the ribbon, use whatever size ribbon or however many pieces you'd like. I just thought this was a nice amount. I'll make one more. So I just think this looks so cute and adorable. Again, modify it to fit your needs. Alright, so I have gotten all my bundles together. They look so cute and adorable. I cut 3 rolls of Deco mesh, and I believe I have about 24 or 25 bundles, somewhere around there. So that should be more than enough to fit on my wreath form. Now that all the bundles are together, let's start placing them. I purchased this wreath form at Dollar Tree, and it's actually in the shape of a ribbon, so I thought it was so cute. Alright, so I'm going to start here, and I like to take the bundles and place it on the outer 2, inner 2, outer 2, inner 2, just because I think that makes it look fuller. But I mean, it's completely up to you. And I did cut my Chanel stems in half, so I wouldn't use as many, but if it's easier for you to keep them long, then definitely do that, because it does make tying the stems a little bit easier. So you see I have the Chanel stems around the outer 2 rings, just like that. I'm going to turn it over and twist, and then tuck it away, just like that. So the next bundle will go on the inner 2. Just like that. And the more you get placed, the easier it'll be to kind of maneuver all of the bundles to make them look exactly the way you want them to look. So I'm going to continue getting them placed. Again, you could have as many or as few as you'd like. I'm just going to place them and see how it looks. I don't have a certain number in mind. So this is what it's looking like so far. You can see I'm alternating inner 2, outer 2, just like that. Again, completely up to you. Okay, and this section is actually looking pretty full. I have 5 bundles here, and I think that actually looks really cute, and that looks full enough to me. So I'll probably stick with 5. Keeping the Chanel stems long is going to make this process a little faster and easier, but again, completely up to you. So I used 3 bundles for the top, and as you see, that completely filled it up. I don't need any more. And I'm pulling all the deco mesh towards the outside because, like I said, I don't want to lose my ribbon shape. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. So cute and poofy. Definitely for this part, it is kind of tight right here, so I'm only using the outer ring. But if you have more deco mesh, then yeah, you could definitely add an extra bundle or 2. I believe I used 5, 5, 3, 1, 1, 4, and 4. This is how it's looking. I think it's so cute and adorable. But I want to add just a final touch and put a ribbon in the center. And I want to do it with the really thick ribbon that I have. You could leave it like this. You could just put like a little sign that says hope right there. Just whatever you'd like. So this piece of ribbon is about 28 inches in length. And I'm just going to fold it like that to make the awareness ribbon. I'm going to take a small amount of tape. Okay, so I have my really pretty ribbon. Again, I just took some tape, double-sided tape, and taped the center together. I'm going to go right in the center of my wreath. Just like that. You could definitely put it like at the top. You can have multiple ones all the way around. You can put it at a diagonal. Whatever you prefer. But I think I'm just going to go with the center. So what I'm going to do, take a chenille stem, fold it like this. And I'm going to glue this portion to the back of my ribbon so that it's glued down just like that, and then I can use the stems that are sticking out and attach it to the wreath. But I don't want to like glue it to the deco mesh or anything like that. Just like that. So you see, now my ribbon has like, I can make it like a cool like 3D effect from the wreath. Wherever you decide to place it, just push the chenille stems over, find the wreath form, and then you just place your chenille stems down. And then at the back, you see they're sticking out, just twist them together. And just tuck it away. And you come back, you can adjust it as much as you need to. Like I said, it's just easier because with the deco mesh, you know, it can move slightly, but the ribbon, you want it to stay in place, or if you want to move it, you have that option. But now it's anchored in the center, and it looks like it's pretty much standing on top of the deco mesh. Like that. But I really like the larger one. I don't know. It's just really cute, and it brings out the smaller ribbon that we have throughout the form. But yeah, that's it. You are all done. This is what it looks like. Again, you can put hope in the center. You can put little words that say hope all throughout the ring. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But I think this one looks really cute and adorable.